at Dollar Tree. Here is the party section, and you can find some of these doilies that you can use in your crafts too. They also have these paper bags that are in different colors, and you can embellish them, or you can even make mini albums with them. If you want to store some small items, they have these zipper seal bags, and they come 40 in them, and they are like this size, long ones, and it has the zipper so you can save your small embellishments or knickknacks. Do you need boxes to alter, or maybe to send your swaps? Here there are some that comes in a set, and then you can also have tissue, you can have these raffias, and a lot of goodies to wrap your gifts. If you are doing a baby project for a baby shower, or just a baby born, there are a lot of ribbon in different sizes, and this can work well for any gift, to embellish gifts, or for hanging in the mini album. Then right here there are some more. Then I wanted to show you in the wedding section these boxes that you can alter. See, it comes 8 of them, and these are similar to the ones that you can make with dies, and this is a good size, and you can just alter with embellishments and papers from your stash. If you want to do a shabby chic project, they have this tool right here, and it's a good size, 5 yards. See, in the toy section, and I also bought this one before to make flowers, shabby chic flowers and projects, and I just get these boas and grab the feathers and just add it to my project. See, and you don't have it in a bag, so this is very convenient. If you like to alter things, there are these boxes with dominoes pieces, and it comes 28, and it's color ones. See, right here you can see it's a very good quality, and it's very cute for an embellishment. Many people shows all the plastic storages that you can use in your craft room too. Now I am in the craft section, and there is a lot that you can use, like this Velcro. We always use Velcro for the closures. Then we do have these canvases, and I wanted to show you. These are pretty good, and I already made a project that I'm going to share with you. They have this kind of canvas in 2 sizes, the 4x6, and it comes 3 pieces, and this one, the 5x7, and it comes 2. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and if you like mixed media, you can use the other ones that are like this, hollow. See, and you can make frames, and also this big one, and everything is $1. See, this stretch canvas is a big one, big size, and this one is 8x10, and you can see the back. So good, right? And look at this, I just found this one right here, which is 11x14, and it's a big size, and you can make many things with this canvas. As you can see, it's like a chipboard cover with canvas on one side and paper in the other. So I'm gonna take this one and see what I can do with it. They also have a variety of colors in a glitter glue. As you can see, these are great for Christmas. They are these Christmas colors. See, and they also have the big bottles, perfect for this season. Then of course, seed beads for shakers. Can you see different sizes of seed beads? The small ones in different colors, glitter that you can add to shakers too. See, then right here there is more glitter in these containers. Then they have these baker's twine, and they also have in different colors. Those are the good stuff that we can use for scrapbooking. They have these cloth pins, small ones, to alter and embellish it and make embellishments. They also have these adhesives right here, this adhesive spray beacon right here, and I always grab this one, the tacky glue, and I like the small size. You will also find the Match Podge, and this one is the gloss right here. It says gloss, and it's a small size, so best for altering things like wood or napkins. And this one is the matte, and those are very good, and they are so affordable, and you don't need a big container for a small project, so perfect. You can find these flat back barrels in different colors, and also right here this big mesh. It says diamond wrap. See, it's a big one. They have raffia, they have these flowers that are so cute, huh? These butterflies. Then right here at the bottom, as you can see, they do have mesh bling, ribbon, a lot of stuff that you can buy at Dollar Tree. Like mixed media, they have this convenient palette of 3 to use with gesso, paint, or anything. See, I love these. This is a plastic zip envelope, and look, it's huge, so you can sort your stickers, ephemera, or die cuts. See, great for that. And it has a zipper, so you can save some, or even your scraps of paper. See, it's a good size. And also right here for your papers, you have these ones right here, so you can save your 8.5 by 11 papers. And also they have envelopes. I love to make mini albums with envelopes. Then another thing is for your swaps, they have bubble mailers, small envelopes. These are very good for mini albums. I have tutorials on how to work with them. And then also these file folders, it comes 8, and I already made a mini album that you will see in my channel, and perfect because I just made it with 8. So you can grab one of these and make a mini album like mine. Are these plastic envelopes. It comes 2. Look at this, and it has a snap button up here. See, so this is perfect if you want to stash some of your papers or ephemera or stickers, but it's color, it's not clear like the other ones. They do have a small ones like this, the envelope, and it's decorated, so it's up to you. They have different sizes. Many people store their dies in these binders, and I already did mine too as well. So you can get any binder for $1 here, and you can also get the this one right here, the sheets protectors, and just put magnet or just paper and save all your dies in here. And these are 16. See, when I have very thin paper, or when you work like with paper and chipboard, I like to use glue sticks, and Dollar Tree has this one that comes 8 for $1. Can you believe? These are very good. I already tried it. And they also have right here scissors and book rings. If you want to store some stuff like stickers in a book ring, these are very good. If you like to do swaps, or you want to do a project with for a craft fair, these pens are awesome. It comes 3, and they are decorated. You know how beautiful. I love this color. And also this one. They also have washi tape, and they always have different designs, and they are so beautiful. Look at this. Chipboard stickers and dimensional stickers are my favorite here. You can use them for flip books, mini albums. You can use them for cards. Oh, this is new. they have a lot of these dimensional stickers, and right here I saw these ones too. See, so cute, with flowers. Wow, you have to visit Dollar Tree and see all the variety of stickers. This is perfect for displaying of your cards or your mini albums. I love it. It's a photo album, and this one has 48 pockets. It's a good size, and this one stores 4x6 pictures, but you can alter it, and you can use for many things. I will say, like for saving your die cuts, or special stickers, embellishments, anything. Also have this one that holds 24 pictures, and these are the pages. See, these ones are clear, and you can store special things inside. I love the color. You can find some stuff in the hardware section, and if you have a summer project, you can buy this jute twine, and this one comes 3 of these. I always use these foam brushes for working with Mod Podge or just glue or paint. These are awesome. This is a must-have in my stash, a packing tape. See, I always need a packing tape, and a masking tape. They also have masking tape, and they also have this foam mounting that it's like a foam tape, and all of these kind of super glue that they are good for metal embellishments. You like to make fabric flowers? This is pillowcase made out of satin. It's so beautiful. You can make some flowers with this one, and they do have in different colors. They have in white, they have in red, blue. This one for making the leaves. Awesome. And they also have this kind of fabric that you can use it to alter something. Look at these organizing drawers. Can you see the picture? Right here comes one set of a drawer and a case, and they are stackable. You can put it one on top of the other, and maybe make a compartment like this to save some metal embellishment or something else. Look at this. They have these for things that you want to hold it straight to, and like maybe glitter glue or something like that. And they also have this one. These are awesome to alter it. And they also have these organizers with lids. Of course, for your desktop, they have these kind of organizers. I would love to have this one if I have a craft room to put it on my desktop and leave my stuff there. The ones that I use the most. Here in the health and beauty section, they have this loose eyeshadow that many people use it like for stamping, and they do have in different colors. Look, they have in gold, they have in this one, it's like iridescent, so cute, and they have in pink, see, and even in this color, purple. My best friend told me that she uses this kind of brushes for distressing, so I need to buy a few to try it on, because she says that these are very high quality for distressing, and she makes a lot of cards, and she says that these are awesome. Item for storage small things are these plastic containers, and these are like the reusable. Here I am in the kitchen section, and they do have these doilies that you can alter, and you can make a lot of projects for mini albums, flowers, for shabby chic projects. There are some chopping mats, and it comes two, and they are a good size. This is 11 by 14, and they are clear, and you can use them for the cover of a journal or a traveler's notebook, or even a mini album if you want. Are adhesive papers that you can use for any box to cover inside or out. So if you are making like that project, this color is beautiful. This one too, see, they have in a wood color, and this one right here. So awesome colors, and they are very practical for any altering project. And if you like to make DIYs, here are some awesome jars with lids. These ones right here, this kind, look at this. If you like to have some of these in your craft room, awesome. They do have a lot of containers and storages. Those are glass storage, see? And they even have this one. You can paint the lids in any color, and the ones at the bottom, and everything is glass. If you like all of the items that I show you, you must visit Dollar Tree. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.